Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with the S code 390 V8 and a C6 automatic transmission. And this one I filmed at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction on Saturday, November 1st of 2025. And it's lot number S238. And you can go to the Mecum website and look it up to get more pictures and info on the vehicle if you're interested. And it sold for $99,000. And it was a beauty, as you can tell in the pictures and the video. It was a real nice car. It showed 86,648 miles, and it was a Concours rotisserie restoration with the S code 390 V8 engine, a C6 automatic transmission, GT equipment group, power disc brakes, power steering, tilt-away steering wheel, select air conditioning, and it was sold new in California at Red White Motors in Walnut Creek, California. And like I said, it sold for $99,000, which for what you got, I thought that was a good price, and it was a good looker in the bright blue. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with the S code 390 V8, an automatic transmission, a Concours restoration, and 86,648 miles. And it sold at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction on Saturday, November 1st, 2025 for $99,000. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.